Guys, today in this video, we're gonna see how we can use Bard and ChatGPT together with the help of extension. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, go to the Google and search Bard extension for Chrome, okay? Then you will get the first link, okay? This is the extension you need to install. Click on that and you just need to install this extension in your Chrome, okay? Allow the permissions, continue to install and add this extension in your Chrome, okay? So first of all, you have to sign in your account with Google Bard AI, and next you can search any other answers. You can search any answers, okay? Like how to be a YouTuber, okay? Once you search how to be a YouTuber, you can see here from Bard, it has provided me the details of how to be a YouTuber. You can follow these steps or you can follow these tips to become a YouTuber, okay? These are the key points you need to follow to become a YouTuber. You can use ChatGPT as well. Just click on ChatGPT. It will take some time as compared to Google Bard. It will take some time in ChatGPT, okay? It will be typed and it may take few minutes or few seconds to provide the complete details, okay? So my question is how to be a YouTuber, and it has provided me certain steps to become a YouTuber. Becoming a successful YouTuber needs some qualities and research and plan, okay? So you need to follow these steps to become a YouTuber. Set up your channel. You need to set up your channel, fine? And also you need to research a bit about what type of content you need to make, okay? And you should make a high quality content as well, okay? These are the main key points you need to follow to become a good YouTuber or to become a successful YouTuber, okay? Engage with your audience. So you need to engage more and more with your audience to increase your subscriber. Optimize your video, okay? Promote your channel. You can promote your channel with the help of social media, okay? So take the help of social media and try to promote your channel. Next, learn and improve, okay? Learn and try to improve yourself and try to make a high quality content. Next is monetize your channel. This is how you can earn some money, okay, with the help of YouTube. Main key points you need to follow to become a successful YouTuber. So you need to promote your channel as well. Next, be patient and persistent, okay? So try to be patient, take some time, no need to hurry fast or make a wrong content, okay? Follow your key niche and then make the content. So these are the qualities or the tips you need to follow to become a successful YouTuber. And you can see 3 results. One is by Google, next is by Bard AI, and third is by ChatGPT, okay? So in this way, you can become a successful YouTuber, and by following these steps, you can install Google Bard and ChatGPT together in your Chrome extension, okay? So if you like this video, hit on the like button, and if you're new to this channel, you can subscribe this channel, and if you have any query, comment down below. See you in the next video.